Cockspur Lighthouse was never hit by the Union or the Confederacy because both sides wanted to save it for them if they happened to win this battle. So they left it intact by firing over it, and not a shot hit it. The Crab Shack is one of our favorite places to go eat when we're around Tybee Island, and we will go out of our way to go there to eat. And normally we will also get a motel room or a campground. We will order the low country boil, but we have them hold the andouille sausage because we're not particularly fond of it, and definitely the crawfish, because we don't like that at all. And so they throw in a little bit more potatoes and some corn on the cob, and we have a major feast. After our huge meal, we decide that we're going to go walk around the Tybee Island Lighthouse to walk off some of our dinner, but also because it's evening and this is the only time we're going to see the lighthouse lit up at night, because the next time we see it will be tomorrow morning. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.